G'day and welcome to another awesome day. Today I'm going to show you what's been happening on the block over the last few weeks. We've had a lot of progress. The house is at lock-up, so it's really coming along great. So first up, we had to run the power from our power box through to the house. So see our power box is over there to the left of the yellow toilet. Trench was dug across to the house from there, and the power was run through conduit. So that basically took around 4 hours, so I was here for that one. I didn't capture all of the excavation and the pipe laying because I was actually helping out myself, but that's all been done now. We're just waiting on the electrician to come back and actually connect it up to the meter here at the house. So next up we've got some internal work that's been happening. This week the trades have been on site and all the carpentry is done for the skirting boards, the pantry, and all the walk-in robes also have their own shelving all done, so that's really good to see. Thanks very much for joining us. It's good to see that the house is coming along. I'll keep you updated over the next couple of weeks to see how things are moving forward from there. So hopefully we'll see some good things. The builder has indicated that we'll have handover middle of November, so we're looking forward to that, but the date hasn't actually been set or confirmed. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, make sure you like and subscribe if you're not already, and click that bell icon too. I'll catch you next time. Bye. What did you say? Tractor. Tractor?